Hi, I'm Deborah with Nefarian Party, and welcome to my channel where I let my creative side run wild. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really cute tutu diaper cake that will make a great centerpiece at your next baby shower and would be a neat baby shower gift. As you can see, these are all the materials I will be using, but they are too many to list, so I will put them in the description box below. Let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is cut out my tulle. I have 9 different colors here that I'll be using because I am making a unicorn themed tutu diaper cake. I also have a crochet headband. This is an infant crochet headband. I'll be using 3 rows and each row has 32 holes in it because I'll be using every other one. But the bottom row will have 2 layers of tulle. So I'll need to cut out about 128 strips of tulle. To cut my tulle, I have a 12-inch tulle board. This is for the infants. I put tape around it so the tulle doesn't get snagged on it. I take my tulle roll, place it at the end, and wrap it around. So I wrapped it around 7 times, and if I cut at both ends, that will give me 14 strips. I've got all my tulle laid out, ready for me to put on my scrunchie. So I will be putting each of the tulle strips inside of one of these holes. I'm going to try to get really close so you can see. So for the bottom part, I double up on my tulle. For doubling up on it makes it thicker. It just adds that extra layer. I fold it in half again, and it makes a little loop. And I will hook the end of the tulle into the loop. Here's the hole. Put it through the front of the hole. Open the loop. And pull it through. I'm going to do that around the entire scrunchie. So here is the finished tutu. Well, it's almost finished. It's nice and full. So I have these rose flowers that I got from Hairbow Center. I'm going to put it right in the front center of the tutu. And I put it on with glue because I don't feel like sewing it. I don't like to sew it. I also have, I'm going to put a matching headband onto it. So this is a same aqua scrunchie. I'm going to use the same bow, so it will be a matching set. And both of these are going to go in the diaper cake. I'm going to put the bow on the scrunchie just like I did on the tutu with glue. Because there are holes in the back, I don't want to touch it just yet so I don't burn myself. So I'll let it cool down for a little bit. Then I press it down so it can get a good, a good hold. So the hot glue works very well with these. They're not going to come off. I put a flower on the scrunchie before, and I decided that I wanted to use the flower for something else, and the flower would not come off. So these hold pretty well. Now it's time to make the diaper cake. So I forgot to mention one thing. The reason why I have it at the top of my dress form is because it's for an infant, and I don't want to stretch it out by putting it on the body. Like, this dress form is for, I believe, 2T to 3T. And if I was to stretch the scrunchie around, the scrunchie will fit around it. However, the elastic might start to loosen up. If you don't have a dress form, you can get a full paper towel roll and have something to weigh it down, and that way you can put this around it and it will work just fine. So for my diaper cake, I'm going to be using 55 diapers, 55 size 1 diapers. I have a 12-inch pan, a 6-inch pan, and an 8-inch pan. So I will put all my diapers into one pan. I'm going to start with the bottom layer and cascade them all around in a circle, and I will do that for each one of the tiers. The bottom tier will have 30 diapers, the middle tier will have 18, and the top tier will have, I believe, 7. So I think my numbers change from time to time, but I kind of go by how it looks. So you guys saw the ribbon that I had at the beginning. I changed my mind. I felt like I was just being extra with all of that, so I simplified it a little bit with these ribbons. So this is a rainbow print ribbon that I got from Hair Bow Center. I also got this unicorn ribbon from Hair Bow Center. And these I got from different places. I think, yeah, I can't even remember. I know I got this one from AC Moore. Okay, that doesn't matter. I'm going to decorate this diaper cake. Alright, so we're in the final stretch and the last few steps. We have to put the tutu on and dress it up a bit. So how I put this tutu on, I move the first 2 layers. I also have a cardboard tube. This is just an empty paper towel roll that I wrapped with plain white paper. Oh, let me set this down. So I put this in the center first. And then the seams are going to be on the back. So the bow of the tutu is the front, obviously. So what I'll do is I sit the middle tier just right on top. I don't want to stretch it, but I will, pull it out, fluff it out so it looks nice and full. And just to make sure that none of the tulle is, tangled or caught between another one. And for the top layer, I have some shred that I want to put on there. I just mix them up. And once I got it around there, it looks a hot mess, so I just have to play with it until it all looks tangled in with each other and it's not falling apart. It's not falling off. So I have these paper cutouts that I've used for other projects. For the sake of this project, I'm just going to put it here. Oh no. My little unicorn is going to go right here, and then my crown is going to go on the top. Alright, so before I close out, I want to show you how I package this diaper cake. This is mainly meant to be a centerpiece and then given as a gift. So, because it has a crown topper, if you want to give it as a gift without the topper, you can just take it out, or maybe put something on top of it of your own. So I have it on the side right there. If the topper is bigger than this, I would usually put it in a separate cardstock paper just to keep it safe, but I think it's fine. I have these basket bags that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also have these cake boards that I got from Paper Mart. I'll put the link in the description. So naturally the tutu skirt is going to go up, but recently what I've started doing was going around and placing it down. It's not entirely necessary, but it does look better. The presentation's better. So I have these streamers that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. And this is also just to dress up the packaging some. And that is how I package a tutu. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to make a tutu diaper cake centerpiece. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. If there's something that you want me to make, just let me know in the comments section and I will put it on my list. Thanks for watching.